Hello everyone. So hope you all are doing well and you are doing good learning in Redwood. So today we will discuss how we can use field mapping and UI based smart action. So in previous session we already discussed how we can use UI based smart action in Redwood. So today we will discuss one of the very key feature functionality, field mapping. So let's get an overview. So using the UI based smart action field mapping, what you can do, you can associate the data from one field to another field. The same we had in simplified way also, if you remember, we have a copy map. So if like you have a same data on account object and you want the data to be copied to opportunity while creating an opportunity, so you can use the copy map. In the same way here, what we can do, we can use the smart action in that we can do attribute mapping. So for example, when we are creating an opportunity from an account, relevant data you can copy from the account to the opportunity. So let's discuss what is our use case. So here in attribute mapping, there are two things. One is like you can have a literal value you can assign, or you can do attribute mapping. So both we will discuss in this session. So we have two requirements. So first requirement is we have to create a custom field, opportunity creation source on the opportunity object. So whenever user will create an opportunity from account using the smart action, the opportunity field should be updated with the fixed value created from account. Okay, and we have another requirement like we have additional remarks field on both opportunity and account object. So whenever user will create opportunity from the account using a smart action, the data must be copied from the account field to the opportunity field. Okay, let's start. So first of all, we have to create these two fields. So quickly I will enter into a sandbox. Okay, so sandbox is almost created. Now let's go to application composer. So we are on opportunity object now, and what fields we have to create? First field we have to get opportunity creation source. Okay, let's click on new and let's select text. Okay, I have given the details. Let's click save and close. Second field we have to create additional remarks. Okay, let's click create again. Click text and create the field. Okay, let's click save and close, and same field we have to create on the account object also, because then we will do the attribute mapping. So save and close. Now let's go to accounts, fields. Let's click create text, give additional remarks and save and close. So additionally what I have done, I have taken one sample account and I have updated the additional remarks. So here I have updated the additional remarks like test record for smart action. So what will happen whenever you will create the opportunity from this account, this additional remark should be copied from account to opportunity. Okay. So now what we will do, let's go to the app composer and let's go to our smart action. So here you will see an option in the last smart actions. So it will open in a new window. Okay, so page is loaded. So here you can search the smart action also. For you can put multiple criteria. For example, I will put account and let's add one more, create opportunity. So multiple filters you can put. So now this is my smart actions. So what I will do, I will disable this one and I will duplicate. Because what I want, the same smart action should be able to cater my attribute mapping requirement also. So I'm not going to change this. I'm going to action type. And here already mapping is there. Like the account number is going to the party number. So that mapping is already there. So what we will do, we will add. So let's map the additional remarks first. Additional remarks, attribute mapping from opportunity Sorry, from account to opportunity. And here also we have the same field, additional remarks. Done. So what we are saying here, when we are creating opportunity from account, so these are the account fields, these are the opportunity fields. So map this account data to the opportunity. So we have already mapped the additional remarks as per our requirement, but we have to add one more field, right? Opportunity creation source. Opportunity creation source. And it will be user entered, like the literal mapping only. And what we have to put here, we have to put create from account. Okay. So let's put created from account and let's click done. So one is the attribute mapping and one is the hard code value we are passing. Whenever you are using the smart action to create the opportunity, let's click continue. Let's go review and click submit. Okay, so smart action is already created now. So let's close this one. Let's go to navigator and go to accounts. Okay, so account page is loaded. So let's go to US General Service Administration. So this is the same record where we updated the test record from smart action additional remarks. So now if we create an opportunity from the smart action, it should map our data. Create opportunity happens sometimes. Let's click create. Okay, so opportunity is created. So what we will do, let's take the PUID and see whether the data is successfully mapped or not. So I will go to opportunity and send the request again. Okay. So now if you see opportunity source is created from account, additional remarks is also copied from the account. So that's how, so it's similarly like the copy map. So in the same way what we are doing in the copy map, for the UI mapping or the backend mapping also you can use this process. Hope that one is clear. So if we saw the summary, firstly we created the new fields, then we disable the existing smart action and duplicate the deleted one, and then we went to the field mapping and added the two values, one for the user entered value and another one is for the attribute mapping. Hope that one was clear. Thank you very much. If you have any query, just you can post in the comments. Thank you.